Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App. So let's dive in. So if you're trying to send money from Apple Pay to Cash App, you should know that there's no direct method. But don't worry, you can still get it done easily by using your bank account as a bridge between the two. Here's a complete guide to walk you through every step of the process. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Start by launching the Wallet app from your home screen. This is where your Apple Cash card is stored. Keep in mind that Apple doesn't allow direct transfers from Apple Pay to Cash App, so first we'll move your funds to your linked bank account. Note, if you're on an iPad, you'll need to go into the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay instead. Step 2. Select the Apple Cash card. Inside the Wallet app, tap on the card labeled Apple Cash. This is the card that holds your available Apple Pay balance. Step 3. Tap the Options button iPhone only. If you're using an iPhone, tap the three dots inside a circle located in the top right corner to access more settings related to Apple Cash. This step doesn't apply if you're on an iPad. Step 4. Choose Transfer to Bank. From the menu that appears, tap on Transfer to Bank. This option lets you send money from your Apple Cash balance straight to your linked bank account. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in the amount of money that you'd like to move from Apple Pay to your bank account. Once entered, tap Next to proceed. Step 6. Select your transfer speed. Choose the 1-3 business days option for a free, standard transfer. If you haven't linked a bank account to your Apple Pay yet, this is the point where you'll be asked to connect one by entering your bank details. Step 7. Confirm the transfer. Once you've reviewed everything, tap Transfer to begin. You'll be asked to confirm the transaction using your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID. The funds should arrive in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Step 8. Open the Cash app. Now that your money has landed in your bank account, open the Cash app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where we'll add the funds to your Cash app balance. Tip: if you haven't linked your bank to Cash app yet, make sure to do that now. Or you can also visit a participating retailer to add cash to your account manually. Step 9. Tap the Money tab. On the bottom menu of the Cash app home screen, tap the Money icon. It looks like a bank or building. This will take you to your balance page. Step 10. Tap Add Cash. Now tap on the Add Cash button, which lets you pull money from your bank account into your Cash app wallet. Step 11. Enter the amount you want to add. Type in the same amount you transferred from Apple Pay. Double-check the numbers to make sure you're moving the right amount. Step 12. Confirm the deposit. Once you're ready, tap Add and confirm the transaction using your Cash App PIN or Touch ID. The money will then be added to your Cash App balance instantly. And that's it. You've now successfully transferred money from Apple Pay to your Cash App using your bank as the middleman. This method is secure, reliable, and works every time. And that's it, you are done.